Hello, I'm going to quickly show you how to make paper rosettes. I've gone ahead to score this paper. There are two ways of doing it. You can either score your paper so that you have something even like this one. So I scored it ½ inch. This is just A4, your regular A4. So I divided it into two. So I scored it ½ inch all the way. Or you can just go ahead and get your paper. If your paper is very light, like A4, just do this. It's very simple to make. You just keep folding. I think we call it fan, but it's paper rosette. So you keep folding until you get something like this, and you press it down. So if you don't want to score, you can still do this. So because the paper is light, that's why I'm doing two at the same time. Until you reach the end, then you press so as to give you a sharp edge. Then you can bring it out. So you have to. So this is if you don't want to score. I've already gone ahead to score my paper. So you go forward, backward, like that. You go forward, backward, just like we did in the other paper. When you're done, if you want at the beginning, you can join your paper already here. You join it so that you have a long strip. You can either do that, or you finish doing this, then you join. You just glue it. Don't be confused, it's not hard. So you have this. You do the same thing here. I'm trying to be fast. If you want it to be longer, just increase the width and length of your paper. That's what I did with this big one. So you have this. I'm going to use glue gun. See, when you want to join here, you join it like this. This side going down, this one coming up. So I'll just quickly use glue gun. You can use your gum, it's fine. For the purpose of this class, glue gun joins faster. That's why I want to use it. See, it's done. So you make sure you lift this place up so it looks like a continuous line. Okay. So in joining this one, you just want to join this one like the same way again. You join it like this. Quickly. You're using a glue gun, but you can use gum. So when you're done, just like this one, you see it is the same thing. Then you want to hold this space like this. You keep pushing. You collect the edge edges together. Sorry. If you find out that it's not going down, it's probably because the paper is too small, so you might need to increase the length. That's if you see that it's fighting back, it's not going down easily. I wanted you to see that. If you see that it's not pushing down easily, that means you need to increase the length of your paper. So I'll bring in one that the paper is long, so you just go this way, and that's it. So with glue gun, you can either glue it with gun, that's the middle here, you put enough, or you can put it in the middle so it looks neat. Oops. You can ignore how this looks right now because I'm in a hurry. Let me get you glue fast. So if you're using glue gun, but if you're using gum, it means you have to hold on to it a bit longer. So when it's dried, you have something like this. And you can use something to cover it up if you don't like the way it looks. Sorry. You can use something like a piece of paper. Either you put something like this to give it a nice look, or you flip it and give it a nice look. So here's your paper rosette. Use this side. So remember, if it's not going down, it means you need to add more paper to the length. So here's a big one I need. And if you don't want to use gum, you can use rope. If you use rope, then you can keep it down. I'll just quickly show you. If you use rope, it means you can fold it and store it. But if you do it like this, it means you're using it immediately.